Hey everyone, welcome back to the I Want That channel, where we bring you the latest in tech and automotive news. Today we're diving into a significant development reported in The Verge about changes coming to the electric vehicle landscape in North America. Let's talk about the launch of Ionna's high-powered EV charging network. So what is Ionna planning? Let's break it down. Ionna is a joint venture formed by 7 major automakers: General Motors, Hyundai, Kia, Mercedes-Benz, and Stellantis. They have announced an initiative to enhance EV charging across North America. So, what is Ionna planning? Well, here are the details as reported in the Verge article. Ionna is deploying at least 30,000 high-powered charge points in strategic locations, including urban areas and along highways. That is on par with the current Tesla charging points network. They're going to support both CCS and NACS connectors, making the network accessible to all EV users. They're going to provide amenities such as restrooms, food services, and retail operations at charging stations. They're going to power the network with renewable energy to align with sustainability goals. Now, according to The Verge, Ionna is focused on improving the customer experience. They're not just installing chargers, they're creating a more convenient and comfortable charging environment. Imagine charging your EV while grabbing a coffee or doing some shopping. Leading this project is Seth Cutler, formerly of EV Connect. He has been appointed the new CEO of Ionna. His track record in expanding charging networks and his vision for Ionna are promising for the future of EV infrastructure. To sum it up, Ionna plans to launch its first charging stations in the United States by the summer of 2024, with plans to expand into Canada. This network will support the growing number of EVs and encourage more people to make the switch to electric. For the average EV owner, this is great news, and it can alleviate one of the #1 reasons why consumers shy away from EV ownership: the lack of EV charging infrastructure. Well, that's it for today's video. What do you think about Ionna's high-powered EV charging network? Are you interested in the future of electric vehicles? Will this make a big difference to you? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech and automotive innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.